Hey, yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm making some random video. I'm I'm home alone right now. I don't know what to do. So, gonna go ahead and show you. This is just like random videos. Random video. Sorry. I'm checking my phone right now. Yeah, and this is my wallpaper. This is my wallpaper. That's my wallpaper. Okay, let's I just like smiling. I don't know why. Let's go check out ringtones. Ringtones. Juju on the beach right there. Ooh. Oh, it's old telephone. No, I don't like that. iPhone 6 Plus, that's my ringtone for now. It's a remix. What's this? New Minion Wake Up. That scared me. Chipmunk Christmas. No, I don't know the song. Well, I did watch the movies of the Chipmunks, but I don't remember the song. I just called to say what?
I just called to say I love you.
That's a fine ringtone, but
Say how much I care.
that's a fine ringtone, but it's only at 6,096. I don't know how to say it. It says right here. See? I just called to say Panda Remix. What's that? That's really... I don't know what to say, but it's fine. It's fine at the same time. It's fine. It's definitely fine. But it's only at... Never mind. I can't say it. Christmas ringtone. What's that? No. I just want to hear it. Christmas. Seriously! Advertisements! I hate advertisements. Who hates advertisement?
There's a more civilized way to do Black Friday at your Buick dealer.
Okay, Christmas ringtone. Na. Okay. Darth Vader. Ooh, Darth Vader. From Star Wars. Your phone is ringing. Oh, I want to hear that.
Hey, your phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. The phone. Yeah, the phone is ringing.
No.
Phone is ringing.
Okay, what's this? 1 million. 9infinity. Okay, no. Turkey. It literally just says turkey. Pony. That's cool. I like it on my ringtone. It's in hip hop. That's what it says. My best friend. Okay, I hate country musics. I hate country music. I kind of like them. It's fine, but I kind of like it. Good, bad, and ugly. No. Oh, Rudolph.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Oh, see you again. Oh, okay. It's the song from church.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all
Okay, this is one long ringtone.
you again.
Okay, there we go. That's...
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our
SpongeBob. Slash Panda.
Crab, Krusty Krab is on deck. Mr. Krabs is in there. Standing in the concession.
Okay, that's just funny.
Krab is on deck. Standing in the concession. Plotting his oppression.
That's just funny. Do you mind? No. Ooh, I love that song. I love that song when I was like a little kid. I always sing that song. I mean, like that's my favorite song, and still my favorite song. Super Mario Bros. I don't know what I was doing. Pink Panther. I loved Pink Panther when I was a kid. I mean, who doesn't like Pink Panther? I can't say his name right. The super ringtone. That's gonna be the last one, and I'm gonna end the video. No, I should stop that. Okay. For at least. Okay, I'm done. Alright, guys. That's the end of the video. Be sure to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. And remember, You are awesome. Bye.